Hello everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we're going to be building this very decorative window. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at 10 times this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x8 standard base plate just as a base, and we're going to do the underside of the window, and we're just going to use inverted roof tiles like these ones, like so. On top of that, a 2x6 standard base plate. I'm using this brown so it can be also a flower box. Now we're going to be adding some stone work over here, so we're going to bring in these bricks, these bricks with bricks, and I'm gonna bring 4 golden studs, and we're gonna pile them on top of each other like so. And there we go, we have one side done. Now I'll just very quickly try to make the other pillar, and you can use this pillar design for anything you like. I find this gold and this beige kind of color works nicely together, and we're just going to stick them side by side over here. Now in the front we are going to be adding some flowers, so get any nice flower pieces, or you can use single round studs to make some flowers, because this is going to be a sort of window box. We just stick that on top of here. 2 of these 1x2 standard base plates stick together and behind the flowers, and we're going to bring in a window itself. I've already placed it inside the window frame. On the front here at the top, a 1x6 standard base plate, some roof tiles, and a standard brick in the middle. Now, and just on top of that, 1x4 standard base plate like this, and it's already looking good. And I'm going to demonstrate some wall around here, so I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to bring in these little standard bricks. This is some light green. I've got 5 of them. Is that 5? Yes, that is 5. I did go to school and learn maths. In a pillar, and I'm going to get 5 more because we want to do the other pillar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I built a wall up high. And I'm going to bring this back, stick our wall over here, and just back here I'm going to attach these standard bricks to stick it all together firmly. And there, we've done it. So there we have it, our decorative window is complete. I especially like any windows with flower boxes in them, and I hope that you do as well, because you just open the window here and smell the beautiful flowers rather than using my finger. I'm going to bring Johnny here. If I can stick his head right through the window. Oh, there we go. Hello, I'm sticking my head through the window like this. And I just gave you a suggestion of the wall there, so you can embed it into any nice building you've got to add a little bit of detail, because nice details like this is always rather, well, spectacular. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Hello, I'm sticking my head through the window like this.